Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to answer this one. I will put negative number 1 go to the right. Next, this one I will put in here and we got dy over dx. Next, I will put this one go to the right. So we have positive. And now I can put like this. So we have y, and first the derivative of y. This is about linear differential equations. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to use about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration. We can see that positive number 1 over the square root of s next to y. This is for integrating factor, and I will put this one gone here. So this one we can put s to the power of negative 1 over 2. Because this is about the square root, we got 1 over 2. So if we want to put this one gone here, we need to put negative sign, and that's why we have this one. So the integration of this one, that is about negative 1 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 1 over 2 plus 1. This one that is about 1 over 2. This one that is about 1 over 2. And then I will put about e to the power of number 2 with the square root 1, also with the square root of s. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. So this one multiplied by this one, so we have number 1. Now we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we can use about like this. So in this one, we have first the derivative of 8 multiplied by b. This one that is about first the derivative of b multiplied by 8. So the integration of this one, that is about y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have y e to the power of number 2 with the square root of s. The integration of this one, that is similar for this one in here, and we got this one in here. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.